Getting eggs, guys. So far, that's what we got in the bucket. And we are adding more. So if you guys want farm fresh eggs, guys, let me know. Hey there, Mama. I know you got some in there. Yeah. They are all sitting on the nest. Hey there, Mama. Thank you. I think we're gonna get like a, hey there, big girl. Can you move? Yeah. You are a heavy, heavy one there. I know. Yeah. She's got quite a bit in there too. Well, guys, we got more in here. Oh, look at all of these. Well, I think we got more than a bucket of eggs today, guys. Hey there, Mama. Can you move? Oh, she's got plenty in there too. Thank you, girl.